Welcome to my backyard, and today I'm here with Vevor. Tough tools half the price. I already have a pressure cleaning machine from them and it's really great. Let's open this one here. Couple different parts. Okay, this is it. Let's take all the little parts apart. Well, today we have then a pole-mounted pruner saw, and it's such a nice product. They even send you the gloves to protect yourself and the goggles. Safety first always, so good job on that already. We're going to take a little look here at the instructions. Shouldn't be that complicated really. I mean, it's an electric, battery powered tool, so shouldn't be that complicated. Just basically charge it and make it work. Obviously you can also use it manually without the pole. So the battery is here, 40 volts, 4 amps. Let's see if it's charged or if we need to charge it. Oh no, it's working already, so we can start working with it. So then we're gonna figure out how to mount the pole. Shouldn't be that difficult, but we're gonna go on the instructions for that. So I review the instructions. As you can see, you can put the battery on the end of the pole, as you can see here in figure 15. So to do that, you just slide the battery from here. You attach it here. It has a safety clip also, so you put it there. And this has this button to adjust the angle that you need to work with. And then you basically attach the battery. There you go, it's ready. So here it is. The battery is at this end. We have the attachment with the safety clip. So once everything is attached, there's your battery. Here's the whole system with the adjustable angle. So when it's attached like this doesn't work already. So it's like a safety thing. So all the controls are done by this end. Let's try it. Let's put the gloves and everything on. Let's do it. I'm gonna clean up this palm tree here. Let's see how good it is. I used to have to climb on a ladder. Wow, amazing. Wow, really nice. So as you can see, there's a lot of pruning to be done here. This is a big backyard. So this Vevor tool is gonna be super useful for a lot of years. And again, wireless, only have to charge the battery and it will be amazing. So thank you for this product. Highly recommended. Let's keep working here.